We're now going to show you how to transfer a patient. As mentioned, it's extremely important to have an up-to-date bed board on SASH Cerner EPR. We shall demo the steps for this, but the scenarios you may come across on the ward is transfer a patient to another ward, patient lead clinician needs updating, and patient needs to move to another bed on the ward. So we're just going to right click on our patient and hover over conversation, scroll down to transfer, select transfer, and you need to enter in a transfer reason. So if you're needing to transfer a patient to another ward, then you would select requested by bed manager, and then you would change the receiving department to ward, so depending on where they're being transferred to update the consultant, the lead clinician, then you just would select transfer to a new consultant only, and then it keeps them on the board, but here's where you would just then input that new consultant. So we're just going to come out of that, and then we will also show you if the patient just needs to be moved onto another bed on the ward, how this is done. So again, you just right click on your patient, hover over conversation and select bed swap within the same ward only. So when you select that, you will then get a encounter search. So here is where you would input the patient that they are swapping with. So in this scenario, we'll say that our training patient in Bay 1 bed A is going to be moved into Bay 1 bed B. So they are swapping. So you would enter in patient that is in bed B's MRN. So I'm just going to copy that in now and select search. So this is our patient that is in bed B. So I'm just going to click OK. And then you can see here that we are going to swap the patient that's in bed A with the patient that's in bed B. And then when you click OK, you will then just see that on our bed board, it is now just flipped. So you would probably do this when a patient is coming out of the side room and if you're putting a new patient in there.